Hi, let's when we are explaining Venn diagrams, so we have been using the same example like stamps, stamps, stamps. Okay, so if you might be get bored like all the time stamps example. Okay, let's take a different interesting example for movies. Okay, so let's take movies of Allu Arjun. Okay, so if we represent movies of Allu Arjun with A, letter A, then so let's take a few of his movies. So for example, movies of him are Pushpa 1, Pushpa 2, and one of his old movies we can take Arya. And uh, okay, let's take this three movies of Allu Arjun. And let's take the same, who is that? Okay, Rashmika. So Rashmika's movies let's represent with R. I'm not writing all the movies of him, just writing few things just to explain the Venn diagrams to make this topic interesting. So Rashmika Madhanas also she acted in Pushpa 1, Pushpa 2, and let's take a other movie Chava. Okay, she acted in these three movies. Not three movies. Okay, she acted in many movies. So for the sake of Venn diagrams, I pick these things. So in order to represent in Venn diagrams, how we represent? So let's take mu, which are all movies of all movies, all movies made in India, made in India. So if we take this as mu is a big set, universal set, all the movies. So mu is a big box, that is all movies, right? This is all movies. Inside that one, Allu Arjun movies are a set. So we have to draw one circle. And Rashmika also acted in few movies. This is another set. So but they have common movies. So what we have to do? So to add a common set, we have to draw. So which are intersecting circles. So let's represent this is A and this is R. Movies of Allu Arjun, movies of Rashmika. So if we take this one, then so how we common movies we have to have it inside this one, inside the common area. Inside the common area, so let's write the movie Pushpa 1 and Pushpa 2. Pushpa 1, Pushpa 1 and Pushpa 2. So these two movies are common, Allu Arjun and Rashmika's. So whereas Allu Arjun also acted in Arya and Rashmika acted in Chava. All other movies you can write it here. So I am considering only two sets, Allu Arjun and Rashmika's movies. So that's the reason, okay, I created two sets. The common area. So if you look at Allu Arjun, Pushpa 1 and Pushpa 2 are inside this circle, his set. And Rashmika also, if you look at her movies, if this circle represents her movies, then Pushpa 1, Pushpa 2 are inside this one. This Chava is outside of Allu Arjun circle. So that means Allu Arjun is not in this movie. So it is outside of Allu Arjun circle. Also Arya is not inside the Rashmika circle. It is also outside because Rashmika didn't act in Arya. So this is how we represent in Venn diagrams if you want to represent. I just picked a few movies. So these are not all the movies these actors acted. Just to explain the Venn diagrams, I took this example to make it interesting. So mu is like all movies made in India. So like this. So yeah, this is all about Venn diagrams, and we see more different what to say, how to add these sets and how to separate them. So we learn more things shortly. Thank you.